Dreaming of working in Germany? The Germany Job Seeker Visa might be your golden ticket to a career in one of Europe's powerhouses. First step, check your eligibility. Do you have a recognized university degree and sufficient funds to support your stay? Next, tackle the application process. Gather your documents, fill out the application, and schedule an appointment at the German embassy. Prepare for your embassy interview. Be ready to discuss your plans in Germany and how you intend to find employment. Once in Germany, hit the ground running. Network, apply for jobs, and attend interviews. Persistence is key. Landing a job means you can convert your visa into a residency permit. Welcome to your new life in Germany. The Germany Job Seeker Visa is your first step towards a thriving career in Germany. Start planning your journey today.